So the last cocktail we're gonna be doing is a NOgroni Sbagliato. Ever since Emma D'Arcy got on the internet and blew the NOgroni Sbagliato up, I have been getting hit up by people to do one. We've actually done one in the past, so I haven't really been, quick on the draw about it. The product from the next brand that we're gonna be looking at is Lyres, which is founded in 2019 by two Australians living in Britain. Unlike some of the other products that we looked at today, Lyres isn't made by distillation, but rather from a blend of distillates, natural essences, and extracts to sort of mimic the flavor of alcohol. And just so you know, it is not sugar-free. They use a blend of natural sugars to mimic the mouthfeel of alcohol, but they are, according to their own website, very low in calories when compared to, foolproof spirits or whatever. Because Lyres products are macerations, they should be refrigerated directly after opening, especially in warmer climates. And if not refrigerating, they should be stored in a cool, dry place. They last around 12 weeks after opening. They do not last forever. All right, let's make our NOgroni Sbagliato, or NOgroni Sbagliato. So again, we're gonna be building this in a glass. All right, should we taste this? I'm actually I have very high hopes for this because these are aperitivo. In Italy, there are aperitivos in bottles in every single supermarket, and there are a whole range of non-alcoholic ones. So there is a precedent set for this product. It should taste pretty good. All right, so this is the bitter orange here, and then this other one is their Aperitif Rosso product. Let's see. Yeah, it looks a lot more red in the bottle than it does there. Oh, yep. Oh, that's good. I like it. That's really good. That really hits the spot. And you know what? It does have that kind of more syrupy, not syrupy, but it has that kind of a little bit more viscosity in the mouthfeel, so it doesn't taste like flavored water. Ooh, that one's really good too. I like it. Okay, so we're gonna take our bitter orange here. We're gonna do 1 ounce of the Lyres bitter orange, and we're gonna take 1 ounce of the Aperitif Rosso, grab some ice, give it a stir. What's pretty cool is that Lyres actually makes a non-alcoholic bubbly as well. So I guess I should use this as an opportunity to show you guys how to properly open a champagne bottle. Okay, so here's your champagne bottle, just like this. You want to take this little tab right here. Usually they have this little tab, and you want to remove the foil like so. Because there is a small chance that the cork could pop out because it's under pressure, you want to place your thumb here, and then you want to open this up. And what's kind of funny is that every single bottle, this little cage, I learned this from my really good pal and fellow YouTuber, Zach Zoshki. It's actually exactly 6 turns to get the cage off, which is pretty cool, right? Okay, so now what we're pressing here, what we're gonna want to do here is we're going to put our hand on the cage like so. If you were in a fancy restaurant, you would probably be using like a towel around this. I don't have a fancy towel though, and I don't wanna use my stained bar rag for it, but you would have a fancy towel, and what you wanna do is you wanna twist it from the bottom like this, working the cork out. Now this might take a little bit of time. You do not want to hear a pop. You just want to hear it come out with a little bit of gas, and then you have opened your champagne safely. And then we're just going to top this up. I'm going to use this technique to put this in the bottom of the glass like so that it doesn't layer on top. And we're going to top this up with our bubbly, like so. And then of course, because it is a NOgroni Sbagliato, we are going to cut an orange here, cut a nice wedge, and then you should have those perfect orange juice cells. And we can just like plug that up there like that. I like it. There you go. There it is, the NOgroni Sbagliato. Eat your heart out, Emma D'Arcy. Okay, let's give it a sip. Oh yeah, it's nice and dry. It hits all the right things. It doesn't have any alcohol. I don't really care. I really like the way it tastes. This one's like a little bit sweeter and bitter, and this one's like a little bit more like your traditional aperitivo, and so you get a really nice melding of those flavors. And then you have this guy, very dry, kind of reminiscent of Martinelli's, but not in a bad way at all, but also dry in the finish. I really want to taste it on its own now. I'm gonna get another little glass to just like kind of see what it tastes like. I mean, I have an idea now that I tasted it in the cocktail, but yes, it's dry and lightly sweet. It's nice and bubbly, and it's nice. I like it. And then in the cocktail, it's just nice and bright, effervescent, everything you want in your NOgroni Sbagliato. I like it. There you go. There it is, the NOgroni Sbagliato. Eat your heart out, Emma D'Arcy.